Prophecy from the 9th Hour book released the 9th day of the 9th month of 2009.
Another storm will arise in the east, another storm, and do damage in the east and will cause destruction as the roads are destroyed, and they have to find different paths to travel.
Hundreds of people are thought to be dead or missing after severe flooding in central Burma. As floodwaters disperse, the scale of the destruction in Burma's Magway division is becoming clear. In Pakoku, more than 1,700 are still in temporary shelters. Many have lost their homes, their livelihoods and their loved ones. In the early hours of October the 20th, floodwaters surged into the area, uprooting trees and houses while many were still sleeping. Domestic news are quoting the official number of dead and missing at 215, but as bodies continue to be recovered, some estimate the actual death toll could be far higher. And 3 days after floods hit, towns such as Chaksay, home of Burma's former dictator Than Shwe, are still submerged. Those who have lost their homes and families in the flood say they didn't receive any warnings that the floods were coming. While some have been able to salvage part of their homes swamped by the sands, some monasteries and homes have been swept away completely. And although local charities have begun a rescue effort, collapsed bridges, destroyed roads and disrupted power lines are causing difficulties.